Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So make sure that you are subscribed, and also if you want to join a membership, there is a join button below. Press it, it will tell you what to do. That way you can have access to certain videos early on this channel. So guys, the Malaika war is not over. Okay, so some of you young viewers might not know who Malaika is, but Malaika was a music group back in the day, you guys, when some of us were still young. I know it's unbelievable, but we were once upon a time very young. It was around the time Jabu, Bongo Muffin, yabona nje, a group like two guys and one girl. It was a thing back then. So with this group also, they did have three members, and one member had passed away. And afterwards, they did try to continue with the group, like recording together and performing together. And I guess it didn't work out because they ended up stopping. There had been reports at the time that actually the member that had passed away was the one that was able to keep the peace in the group, and that these two, Bongani and Tedy, used to fight a lot. So it made sense that after he had passed away, they were not able to continue with the group. So what ended up happening was that Tedy left the group. She decided she had some things to pursue. She wanted to go back to school, and Bongani still wanted to continue with the group. So what he did was that he got another lady to replace Utsiri so that they can be able to continue recording and also do some performances. So recently, Tedy came out to say that he wasn't happy with the way the things were being done as far as the group name is concerned. But you guys, it's interesting because she is actually contradicting herself right now because of a certain statement that she had issued once upon a time as far as her leaving the group. But we will go through that statement too. So it appears that the former Malaika songstress Tsedi Mholo will not rest until the group is finally dissolved. She is now demanding that the new duo changes their name because Malaika is a legacy, which includes herself, the late Jabu, who came up with the name, and a third member, Bongani Nchanga. This is a story by Theo Nyaba, by the way. It's from Zimoja. When Jabu passed away in July 2008, the duo continued to record together as Malaika and Sony Music Entertainment. After discontentment between Tedy and Bongani, the former group, however, Bongani continued to use the name and added another female singer as part of the duo. The new Malaika duo is made up of Bongani and Joaki Molipa. Ironically, Tedy uses the name Tedy Malaika on her Facebook page. Tedy said that she doesn't have a problem with the new group performing, but the issue is them using the name Malaika. Malaika is our legacy. They must not confuse our fans and promoters, because I get calls all the time from fans expecting to see me doing the shows. Tedy added that she's not happy at the fact that they are using her voice when they perform with a backtrack. I'm not a backup singer. They must remove my voice. I am an established artist. They can go back to the studio and record their own new songs, she added. Tedy, who is currently studying paralegal with the University of Cape Town, said that she knew her rights and claimed that Bongani is doing is infringing on her rights as an artist. If they are trying to erase my legacy, the legacy of Malaika, they must think again, she said. Speaking to Zamocha, Bongani said that he was sick and tired of Tedy's drama over the years. He said that even the song that she's claiming to be hers were written by him, the songs rather. Bongani added that Tedy forgets that he had been an artist and producer way before she came into the picture. When she joined Malaika, we had already written the music. Hence, the first album came out 2 weeks after she joined us. Who did she think she was writing the songs? Asked Bongani. He said that he was tired of being bullied by Tedy's fans on social media. He added that to make things worse, her fans have been bullying the new Malaika female vocalist. The poor girl has been bullied by her fans who do not know the story. Tedy gave me a go-ahead to continue as Malaika, and she released a statement declaring that she's no longer part of Malaika, said an irritated Bongani, adding that their relationship was beyond repair now. He said that Tedy has done everything to degrade his name to a point that she went live on social media and made fun of the fact that he was in a coma because of high blood pressure. I felt that was below the belt. Who goes live amongst someone who's in the hospital and in the same breath they claim they want to venture into gospel music? When she was performing on her own, I used to support her to a point of dropping her off at her gigs, and I would send her a message of encouragement. Why can't she do the same now as Bongani? So that is the story, you guys, where Tedy is saying she is not happy with the fact that they're using the name Malaika to actually perform, because she felt that it's her legacy, it's her and the other group members' legacy. So I guess she does not want them to use that name. She does not mind them performing, but they must record their own music and also use a different name, which basically means that she wants them to start a new group, because it wouldn't be Malaika without the songs that we know that are Malaika songs. Now, you guys, when I was reading that article, I was like, no, man. There was a time when Tedy actually announced that she was leaving the group, and I wanted to see what she had said on that statement, because on all of the articles that have been written about this story, Bongani always insists that he was given permission to continue as Malaika. Okay, so now here is this statement that comes from Tedy's social media. Tedy Malaika. Okay, so here, you guys, it's a very long statement where she's explaining, basically she's thanking the fans for their support, and she's explaining how it has been a challenge being part of a group, being the only woman in a group, but yet she's very grateful for the experience of being part of Malaika. She also tells her fans that she wants to pursue other things and ask for their support as she's pursuing other things, but makes it clear that she wanted to leave the group. But what is interesting, you guys, at the end of this statement, she says to Bongani, she wishes him all the best if he wishes to continue individually. She even says that she wishes him the best should he decide to find her replacement, so that they could preserve the Malaika legacy. Now, this is the thing that is confusing, because on one hand, she's saying she does not like the fact that she has been replaced. She does not like the fact that they're using her vocals on when they are performing with the track. She does not like that. And she's saying also they want to kill the Malaika legacy by what they're doing. Basically, she's saying they must start a new group, perform with a new name. But here she had actually publicly declared that she is okay with him moving ahead using the name Malaika. But not just that, she was also okay with him replacing her. Now she's coming back here saying that she has a problem with that. I'm not understanding it, you guys. I'm really not understanding. I kind of feel like maybe she quit the group because she did not think that it was going to do well. And now she's seeing them perform, and she has a little bit of jealousy, and maybe she would want to get back. I don't know, you guys, but she's not making sense. Honestly, she's not making sense. I do feel like Bongani does have a right to continue performing if she does not want to do it, especially because she did give him a go ahead to do it. You don't want to be part of the group, I still want to be part of the group. Let me replace you and see what happens. Okay, even though, you guys, I don't even think that the same fans that they had with Tedy as part of the group will still enjoy the group. But if they want to do that, they should be able to do that. I don't know, you guys. I don't know why she's doing that, but that's what is going on with Malaika. I guess it's just a drama, you guys. It's just a drama. Some of you won't even know this group because you're just too young. You're just too young. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Internet. Cool.